before we get into today's video, I just wanted to give you a little update on the Civic. We kind of fixed the issue, and I wanted to thank everyone who commented in my previous video that they want to see JZX content, and also pointing out some issue that could be wrong with the Civic. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll make sure I give you guys the JZX 81 content. Some of you guys, there might be some sensor issues. So what we did, we double checked everything, changed one sensor as well. We did change one sensor, right? So we did change one sensor, and it kind of fixed the issue. So now if I turn on the car, it doesn't die on me. So if I rev it a bit, focus, god damn it, and if I rev it a bit, so it's going till 4, which is a good thing. I can drive the car at least for the time being, so this is good. I would like to thank everyone who commented down. Thank you so much, guys. And I also asked my friend what could be the issue with this. He told me that you will have to tune the car. Anyways, this video is not about Civic, it's about the Skyline. In today's video, we will be installing the bride seat in the Skyline. Okay, guys, I'm gonna say it once and only once. I know some people pronounce it Brid. If I say bride, don't get mad at me. I know some people call it Brid as well. I've actually installed the seat, so now you will be seeing the past me. This is the future me. I don't know if I'm making any sense, but I've already installed the Brid or bride, whatever you want to call it, seat in the Skyline. So let's get on to it. Good morning, everyone. Well, this is weird because I just finished a video and I'm taking a second video right now. This is weird. Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a bride seat for the Skyline, which we are gonna install. As you know, the bucket seat, it's kind of bad, so that's the reason we are gonna change it for a better bride seat. And on top of that, we have rear seats as well. I'm gonna go for a meet after this car. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film. You guys can comment down below if you guys want to see the car meets in Dubai. Please do let me know. See that if you guys just want to see me build my cars, I'm already doing that for you guys. But if you guys want to see the meat and all of that stuff, do let me know. Comment down below. Let me just show you guys the front seat, which I have, and the rear seats. Let me quickly show you the seat. It's pretty bad, so I have to restore this. I'm gonna make sure it's clean once again. As you can see here, no rear seats, and this needs to go. This is the front seat, and this is the rear seat. It's a R32 GTR rear seat, but we have one problem. We don't have R32 GTR seat for this. So if you guys have this for the R32 GTR, do let me know. I couldn't find it. The only one I found was where you sit on it. We don't have the complete pair, but we have just one seat for the R32 Skyline, but I'm gonna find it because my main goal to me is to make sure that this photo Skyline is completely converted to a GTR. That is the reason I'm going with GTR rear seats. Anyways, let's quickly install these bad boys. Oh my god, look at this disgusting thing, dude. God damn. I don't have floor mats for this car, so if any one of you guys have OEM GTR floor mats, hit me up on my Instagram right here. I'm gonna get it from you. Let's quickly install this bad boy in there. I think this is gonna be so comfortable. This at least is comfortable, not like that one. This will be good for daily use or even weekend drives. At least my back won't hurt anymore. Let's quickly install this bad boy, and then we're gonna install these bad boys. So guys, the Brid or bride, whatever you want to call it, the seat has been installed. We have also installed rare OEM GTR seats, which you sit on. I just have that one. I don't have the other one. If you guys have it, or if any one of you have it, comment down below or hit me up on my Instagram. I would be more than happy to buy it. But let me quickly show you how does it look. One Brit seat and one OEM seat. I don't think you can get more Japanese than this. Here you go, guys. Ride seat installed. Another one is OEM. As I said, you cannot get more Japanese than this. Looks pretty good, if I do say so myself. And of course, we have also installed the rare OEM GTR seats. As you can see here, looks pretty good. The spare, so for the time being, I think we'll have to just install the GTS seats. But this is looking pretty good. This looks so much better. I know there are some wear and tears here and there, but it looks so better than this thing. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but this looks pretty good. So let me just quickly sit on it. Let's see if it is comfortable than the previous one which was installed. Ooh, all right. Okay. Nice, nice. It just grabs me. That's a good thing. And yeah, it is comfortable. It is. I can adjust the seat as well. Oh my God, dude, this is so good. I cannot wait to drive this car. I'm just waiting for my wheels. I have the wheels already with me right now, but we are not able to install them because we're facing some issues. Hopefully in 1 or 2 days we'll fix that issue, and I will be revealing the wheels as soon as possible because I really want to drive this car. This is so good. This seat, I am so stoked. I'm super happy I made this decision. I bought this seat. It's comfortable. I can go for a long drive. That's a good thing without hurting my back, which is good. I'm super excited, man. I don't know, I'm just talking too much, I guess, but I'm really excited. I can just, you know, chill in the car. I can drive it, and I just cannot wait to drive this car. I'm super excited. But in 1 or 2 weeks, I promise you guys, we'll have the car on the road. As soon as I install the wheels, I promise you guys, the next thing I'll do is drive this car because I really miss this car. It's been like 1 year, almost a year I haven't driven this car, and I'm so excited for this. This is so good. It looks super amazing, man. It looks good. This is, as I said, old school Brit seat because the new ones, as I mentioned earlier, has Brit written on it. And this one is not a eBay crap or Chinese crap, none of that. This is Japanese original Brit seat, and I'm super happy, as well as the rare GTR seats. It's coming together, man. I'm just happy and grateful, of course. That is gonna do it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys are excited because I am beyond stoked. I finally found a seat which is comfortable. I can adjust it. Amazing. I'm super happy. Next thing is wheel, and for sure next week I'll do my best to install them. We are facing some issues, but that's for the other video when I install the wheels. Anyways, thank you so much for sticking till the end, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for all the support, commenting, liking the video, subscribing. Thank you so much, guys. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.